Look at these pictures. Guess what animals they are? Are you guys able to guess it? The first picture is Western African black rhinoceros, and the second picture is Baiji white dolphin. They may be shocking, this may be shocking, but believe it or not, these are extinct animals. West African black rhinoceros was declared extinct by the IUCN in 2011. They were heavily hunted in the beginning of the 20th century because of their horns that were used in making ceremonial knife handles. Meanwhile, the Xinhua News Agency announced on December 4, 2006 that no white dolphins were detected in a 6-week survey of the Yangtze River conducted by 30 researchers, which raised suspicions of the first unequivocal extinction of species due to human action. I am personally interested in this topic because I strongly believe that endangered species, if not protected, could eventually become extinct, and extinction has a myriad of implications for our food, water, environment, and even health. Promoting the conservation and protection of endangered species is crucial for maintaining biodiversity, preserving ecosystem, and ensuring a sustainable future for both wildlife and humans. Why should we protect endangered animals? We should protect endangered animals for two reasons. First is because of the intrinsic value of biodiversity. Although Leopold, an influential conservationist, argued a thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community, it is wrong when it tends otherwise. In fact, the intrinsic value of biodiversity lies in the understanding that every living organism, regardless of its direct usefulness to humans, has an inherent right to exist. This ethical perspective underscores the significance of safeguarding endangered animals, recognizing them as integral components of ecosystem with their unique roles and contributions. The second is because of the benefits toward human society. One clear example is the role of bees in pollination. Bees, among other pollinators, contribute to the reproduction of various crops, ensuring food security and supporting agricultural economies. Additionally, nature-based tourism, often centered around charismatic endangered species, is a substantial economic driver. A study conducted by the World Travel and Tourism Council revealed that in 2009, wildlife tourism contributed $343.6 billion to the global economy, supporting over 21 million jobs. How can we protect endangered animals? There are two ways we can protect endangered animals. Creating and maintaining protected areas is one of the effective ways to safeguarding endangered animal species. Preserving and restoring natural habitats ensures that these species have a suitable environment to thrive and reproduce. By focusing on conserving critical ecosystems, we can safeguard a multitude of species simultaneously. Protected areas such as national park and wildlife reserve play a crucial role in habitat conservation. These areas provide safe havens where endangered animals can live free from direct human interference. The other way is by combating illegal wildlife trade. Illegal wildlife trade involves the illegal capture, trade, and sale of protected species and their parts, such as ivory, rhino horns, and exotic pets. This ruthless trade not only drives species closer to extinction, but also fuels organized crime and undermines global conservation effort. Hence, strengthening law enforcement and implementing stricter penalties to wildlife trafficking are crucial steps in deterring potential poachers and traders. Additionally, international collaboration is vital as wildlife crime often crosses borders. By working together, could ensure that illegal wildlife trade is curtailed on a global scale. What will happen if we do not protect the endangered animals? There are two negative consequences if we do not protect the endangered animals. Firstly, it can lead to imbalances and cascading effects throughout the food web. Each species is intricately interconnected with others, forming a complex web of ecological relationship. The removal of a single species from this intricate network can have cascading effects on other species and natural processes. For instance, the loss of predators can result in an explosion of prey population. disrupting the balance of herbivore-plant interactions. Secondly, it can cause the loss of potential medical breakthrough. Bioprospecting, the exploration of biological diversity for valuable resources, has led to the discovery of numerous drugs and medical treatments. For instance, compounds derived from the venom of the cone snail have been used as a powerful painkillers. If we fail to protect endangered animals and allow their extinction, we risk losing invaluable genetic information that could hold the key to groundbreaking medical discoveries. In conclusion, the protection of endangered animals is an urgent global issue that requires collective action. By recognizing the intrinsic value of biodiversity and understanding of tangible benefits it provides to human society, we can forge a path towards a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with the natural world. So, don't hurt yourself from joining any wildlife preserve volunteering activities, because imagine a world without the majestic roar of tiger and the graceful flight of the bald eagle. The urgency to protect endangered animals have never been more crucial.